Hey guys, I'm Mateo with WTI, and this is the Amazon Basics 35-pound kettlebell.
This kettlebell is very well made, it's very strong and sturdy. It feels like it won't break even after dropping it so much. It's made with solid cast iron with a nice shiny finish to it. The size of the handle is very comfortable to hold. It allows me to hold a firm grip of the kettlebell so I don't lose control of it when I'm working out. This is a great addition for any home gym and a must for any home workout because there is so many different exercises I can do with it and work out different parts of my body. I can do deadlifts, work out my core, squats, snatches. So really, there is not many exercises I cannot do with this.
And that is my point of view.